Hi, welcome to our channel, dear viewers. In this video I can show you how to install and how to set up free VPN on your Motorola G82 device. So firstly, we need to open a web browser and go to 2ap.io website to see how websites see our location. So open 2ap.io website, click OK, scroll down, and as you can see we are in Krakow now, in Poland, and it's true. But now open Play Store and find here any VPN, free VPN application. For example, Turbo VPN. So open Turbo VPN, install it, wait a while. Click open, agree. Click on the cross on the left top corner. Then click on the card in the center of the screen. Click OK. Wait a while and cool. Now open web browser and reload to ap.io website, and as you can see we are in Romania now. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.